Alright, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to rig a piston the right way. So the first step is to create our armature. So let's create a single bone, and then we try and make this to be in front, and then in the object properties we make it the wire, so I can easily see our bones. So go back to edit mode and bring this up. So this will be for the bottom parent. So we shift D and then move it up and press Alt F. So this will be for the top parent, and then duplicate that again and bring it down. So this will be for our top piston, and then we can duplicate this and bring it up, and this will be for our bottom piston. So before we move further, let's try and rename our bones. So alright, we are all set. So this is what we have. Then we have to parent this to this, keep offsets, parent this to this, keep offsets. Alright, so the videos I see on YouTube, what they do is that select this and this, Ctrl Shift C, dump track, and then they select this and this again, dump track. Now if you notice that if I move this bone, you can notice the lag that we have, and then when I press the right mouse button to clear the transformation, notice that this bone stays in the same place. So that is the problem that shows that lag, that unnecessary lag that we have is not nice. So let's fix that. So first of all, we need to delete the constraints on this. So I'm not sure if they call it a dependency loop, but maybe that's what it's called. So that's what's causing the problem. What we need to do is to create duplicate bones, and then make sure that this is constrained to the opposite. So before that, let's move these two bones to the third layer, and then we select both of these bones, go to edit mode, shift D, and move both of them to the second layer. Alright, so we go back to the second layer, and right now this is where we have our duplicate bones, and then we scale it down. This is where we have our duplicate bones. So we want to be sure this is the 001 and this 001, these are duplicate bones. Alright, then we have to show this as a B bone, and then let's make this bigger with Ctrl Alt S, and then let's enable our first layer again. We also made the top piston also smaller a little bit. Alright, let's go back to our pose mode now. Pose mode. So what I explained earlier is we select the lower duplicates, and then we select our top piston. If you are not sure about the bone I'm selecting, try and check this place to be sure. So let me start again. The bottom duplicates and the top piston, then press Ctrl Shift C and dump track. Then we select our top duplicates and our lower piston, bottom piston, Ctrl Shift C and dump track. And that's what we need to do. Now let's enable our last layer. We have our parent. Now you notice that if I select this parent now and I move this, you notice that there is no lag at all. There is no lag. And if I press my right mouse button, you notice that it's snapped back to where it's supposed to be. So this is with the fix that I talked about. So all we need to do now is to bind our bones to the mesh. So before that, we have to make some bones are not deforming bones, so we have to make them non-deforming bones. So just select this is not a deforming bone, not a deforming bone, and then press Shift W and press deform, and then say toggle to disable. So this disable the deform checkbox for both of those bones. So let's go back to object mode. So if I'm right, this should be working now. So this is our piston is working fine right now. So let's hide the first two layers and be focused on the last layer, so you can see our piston well now. You can use that there's no lag whatsoever. So this is the right way to have a piston rig in Blender, and I'll be using this technique a lot in my future videos when I rig characters, weapons, and props. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you have a question, feel free to drop the question in the comment section. So
I see y'all guys later, man. Be cool.